What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine Skycoin on any computer, laptop or any Windows operating system. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. For mining Skycoin on any computer, laptop, you need a good hardware components, fast internet connection and a Skycoin wallet address. So stay till the end of video and learn how to mine it. Here I will open the browser. Before navigating to the mining process, navigate to IntoCrypto, check out the mining tutorials, finance tutorials and other coin reviews. Because every day we are uploading different tutorials about cryptocurrency and about the cryptocurrency market. So here I will open the unmineable.com, open a new tab and type unmineable.com. Unmineable is a tool which you can some non-mineable and some mineable coins and tokens. Here is you can see the Skycoin. I will minimize this, go back to the desktop. Here create a folder and type it Skycoin. Once you have created the folder, open up the Windows security, click on the virus and threat protection, click on the manage settings. Here click on add or remove exclusion, add an exclusion, select the folder, select the desktop, select the Skycoin, and here you can see the Skycoin is successfully added here. So we are excluded the Skycoin folder because we cannot directly download the unmineable miner to our Windows operating system. Unmineable miner, including all the miners, is a threat for the Windows operating system and the Windows security will delete it automatically. Here I will open the browser. Here click on the download section, right click on this. You can save the link as you, or you can download with the IDM. So I will download it with the IDM. Click on this three dot, select the desktop, select the Skycoin and click on save and start download. As I have already downloaded, so I will cancel the download, minimize this, go to the miner. Here copy this and paste it to the Skycoin folder. Right click on this and extract here. Once you have extracted the unmineable miner, so double click to open it. Here is the unmineable.com. We are providing through this channel the videos that we are currently experimented on the videos. Like there is the mining, we are mining different coins and tokens through this miner. So we are experimented and this miner is completely a legit miner that you will be able to mine different coins and tokens. So this is not a scam miner and completely it's legit. You can mine your favorite cryptocurrency. Here click on the continue option. So here is you can select your mining hardware, like there is graphic card or CPU. So I will continue it with the CPU. Here you have to type your coin that you want to mine it. Here I will type Skycoin. So here you have to enter your wallet address. If you are using Binance, so that's right. If on the other hand, if you are using any other different cryptocurrency exchanges, like there is Coinbase, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, so you can use any of them. So here is the Binance account. Here I will copy this and paste it here. Once you have pasted the address, click on the start to start mining SKY token. We are right now on the mining window, last 24-hour reward, the total paid, the last payment now, and here is the payouts from 20 SKY. So if you want to check the cryptocurrency prices, like there is biggest cryptocurrency website, like there is CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. These two platforms allows you to check any cryptocurrency prices. If you want to change the mining setting, click on the advanced setting. Here you can change your mining intensity, like there is low, high or custom. If you want to bring changes to the worker name, or you can set a custom referral code. So you can do each and everything on the advanced setting. Here if you want to bring changes, click on save and restart. So it will take a few moments to start mining SKY token. If you want to check the status of the mining, click on this option to open the unmineable.com. Here you can check the box of auto every 12 hours whenever the balance is over 12 SKY. Here is the workers, the payments, the referral code. The good program is they have that about referral code is 0.25% of your referrals mining rewards you will earn once you share your referral code with your other people and with your friends. So here you can see that it is currently on pending and soon it will start mining. If you have problem with the mining, so you can check other videos of the mining which I have currently uploaded on this channel. So guys, this is the way how you can mine Skycoin on your computer or your Windows operating system. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will see you in the next one.